If you're hating how interest rates have been lately and that they're in the mid sixes, what if you had the option to have a 5%? If you live in the state of South Carolina and you're doing a VA, FHA, or USDA loan, we have a program through SC Housing that we can offer at my current company that has a 5% interest rate with no down payment assistance. So they have two different programs. They have their regular down payment assistance program. That's the one a lot of people are aware of. That gives you $10,000 towards down payment or closing costs. But they have a separate program where you say, yeah, I don't need your $10,000. I don't want to have to worry about paying it back. I've got myself covered. I'm just going to take your really low interest rate. And that rate today is at a 5%. That is a massive savings. I mean, we're talking hundreds of dollars for some individuals from what their regular interest rate would be to that 5%. So how do you get that rate? Well, you do need to have a minimum of a 640 credit score. That's required by SC Housing for any of those loan types. Again, FHA, VA, USDA. Your debt to income ratio, which this is specifically talking about your back end debt to income ratio, which is new mortgage plus anything reporting to your credit, needs to be at 45% or below. That's the toughie sometimes with SC Housing is, can we fit within the debt to income ratios? You technically don't have to be a first-time home buyer if you are in certain counties. So Berkeley and Dorchester, for example, which are where most of my buyers are, as long as your home has already been sold before closing, you can utilize the program. For any other county, you do need to be a first-time home buyer, meaning you have not bought within the last 3 years. You're considered a first-time home buyer. You're reborn, if you will. So, and again, the program does not give you their down payment assistance, so you also don't have to worry about ever paying back down payment assistance. You just get a really low interest rate, and essentially what they're doing is SC Housing will be your servicer for your loan versus it being sold off to PennyMac or Lakeview or whomever. So it is a really, really great program. I use it all the time because, again, in this environment where rates are not so fun, it's a great program to help keep your payment as low as possible. You do have to qualify again, though, credit, debt to income ratio, guideline wise. But if you want to see if you qualify, reach out.